Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x to the power of 3 minus number 2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to 3x squared dx. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have this one. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.